Hi everyone, I'm Emily and welcome to Crystal Flare. Today I'm going to show you how to make a special version of the Amethyst Halo Suncatcher using purple amethyst stones, crystals and stainless steel frames. Don't forget to like, share the video and leave a comment if you find this tutorial helpful. You can also subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future videos. Now let me walk you through the materials you'll need. Let's start with the first step, designing the layout. Place the circular frame flat on the table and arrange the gemstones and crystals in the order you envision. You can create soft hanging strands or twist them into creative spiral shapes. It's up to you. Planning your layout first will help you save time and achieve a more balanced design. You're doing great so far, keep going. Next, we'll attach the stones to the circular frame, cut a piece of wire about 40 centimeters long, hold one end of the wire about 1 centimeter, and wrap it tightly around the frame 5 times to secure it. Then start threading your gemstones and crystals in the pattern you like. Use one hand to hold each bead in place on the frame while using the other hand to wrap the wire around to secure it. For every stone, wrap the wire around twice to keep it steady. Alternate the purple and white stones in various sizes to create a sparkling, dynamic look. At the end of the wire, you can thread it back through a previous bead to secure it neatly. Nice job. Now it's time to create the frame and hanging wire for the rough amethyst stone. Cut a 20 centimeter piece of wire. Place the bottom part of the stone in the center of the wire and twist the wire gently to hold it securely. Then continue wrapping the wire around the stone's body and up toward the top, creating geometric shapes like rectangles for added aesthetic. With each twist, make sure it's tight and secure. At the top, twist the wire together to form a balance point. Then take about 5 centimeters of wire curve it into a hook shape and wrap the remaining wire around the base of the hook to secure it. Wrap it multiple times until it looks neat and feels sturdy. You're making great progress. Almost there. Now on to assembling and finishing the Suncatcher. Use jump rings to attach the teardrop crystal to the center or lowest point of the frame. This is where it will catch the most light. Then connect the smaller crystals and the frame using the remaining jump rings. You can try a symmetrical layout or go freestyle, whatever suits your style. Well done, you're almost finished. Lastly, we'll add the hanging wire. Use a piece of steel wire or a ribbon as your hanger. Thread a large jump ring through the top of the frame and attach your wire or ribbon. Make sure all jump rings and connections are tight and secure so your Suncatcher stays intact. You're doing amazing. And there you have it, your very own handmade amethyst halo Suncatcher. Hold it up and let it twirl gently in the sunlight. So magical, right? This Suncatcher isn't just a beautiful piece to hang by the window, balcony, or in your car. It also makes a meaningful gift for loved ones on birthdays, holidays, or just as a heartfelt wish for peace and light. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share it with friends, and leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more sparkly Suncatcher tutorials. Thank you so much for crafting with me today, and as always, keep shining.